Okay, everyone. Oh, it is me again. We are going to react to a video that I don't think a lot of people would want to see. But it is useful for a lot of veterinarians, especially avian vets. If you've done science and you've dissected animals, you'll know exactly where I'm getting at. I'll have to describe what they're doing because there's no talking. X-ray. Try not to get grossed out video. They're going at the feathers. They are finding out the cause of this dove's death. They're still going at the feathers. This is what do they call it in postpartum, like not postmortem, there's internal exam, and then there's, I think it's external exam. So this is stage 1 of them finding out the bird's passing. I don't know, like, what to explain a lot in this, because all they're doing is they're just dissecting this dove to find out. I'm not zoomed in because I don't want to interfere with anyone getting grossed out who is not a veterinarian. This is done by a avian specialist, also known as exotic vet. Right now, I think they're kind of going at the leg. Hold on. I can't see. Oh, they are. Yeah, they are. They're pulling the feathers out of that. And then they're gonna... I'm wondering if the disease had to do with, like, their, not really their legs, but I'm wondering if it was like... Oh my god, they are! Ew, yeah, they are. Okay, I was right. Or is that their neck? I can't tell. I'm probably gonna shut it off in the middle because they do show a lot of exposure. Right now, the other vet's kinda going at it with the dove. So it's like back to back. I can explain in a minute what they really tested this dove for. Once they get to more of the exposed parts, I'm gonna stop. Because that's how far as I got. I was like, oh my god. Oh, they already are at that part. Yeah, they are. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on voiceover and have it read. Voiceover on. I'm gonna have it read
YouTube.
the cause of
Landscape. More options meant exit full screen. But portrait. Night. Track position. Mother Lode Green River. Mother. Selected. Hide playlist videos. Show playlist. Hashtag dissection. Video player. This video is meant for educational purpose only. Dissection of dove suffering from torticollis.
torticollis.
Disease in pigeons is often caused by toxic exposure or infectious disease. Central nervous system signs can include torticollis, encircling, ataxia, paresis.
Alright, you know what? Just
paralysis. Birds may be unable to
hold on.
This video is meant for educational purpose only. Dissection of dove suffering from torticollis. It is a neurologic disease in pigeons is often caused by toxic exposure or infectious disease. Central nervous system signs can include torticollis, encircling, ataxia, paresis, and even paralysis. Birds may be unable to prehend food, often pecking at and missing food items. Hashtag postmortem, hashtag dissection, hashtag bird, hashtag dove, hashtag corpse. Sung, Vixento, Sagrobot.
Okay,
License news.
basically what they're saying
10:45 a.m.
is that, oh, I think someone's coming down. Well, we're pretty much done with it anyways. Hey! So basically what they're trying to say is the bird had the disease called PMV, paramyxovirus. It's basically what they just described, not being able to eat properly, twirling their necks in circles, bending their head upside down, all that stuff. And yes, that was a dissection of a dove. Oh my god. And they said it was only like educational purpose. Sorry there wasn't really enough to explain. I mean, all they really do is they really find out what happened, and then the description kind of gave out a little bit more of what it was. Man. That dove right there, mine, looked just like the one that we just watched right now. Isn't that sad? Yeah, Pepper. Postmortem death. Oh god, that's, yeah. Not a pretty thing to watch, but unfortunately, when you're a veterinarian or a exotic vet, that's what you have to do. So basically this bird had tortoise, whatever it was, but I really think it's called PMV. Don't listen to the description. As far as I'm concerned, it was PMV. I've already described PMV.